There is an assembly where we have a motor, a torque transducer, a coupling, and some plates to hold all of them. Motor is used to drive torque transducer, and they are coupled with each other by the help of a coupling shown in blue color. Coupling helps to take care of misalignment between the rotating shafts of motor up to certain limits as per its specification. If in case misalignment of shaft goes beyond permissible value of coupling, shafts will get damaged. Therefore, by the help of Tolerance Stackup, we can calculate what would be the worst case misalignment of the shaft here, and if that is well within the specs of coupling specification, our assembly design is good to take forward for manufacturing, or else we may need to fix the problems. In this section view, we can clearly see all the components and their mating condition and how they are connected to each other. Here, we would check the misalignment of gearbox shaft with respect to rotating shaft of torque transducer and see if it's within the limit of permissible specifications of coupling. First, we need to identify the dimensions affecting the misalignment of shaft axis, and which is nothing but the risk we'll be computing. These are the dimensions affecting the risk. Now, let us write down the risk equation. Once dimension identification is done, we need to populate those dimensions in the Dimension tab of Tolerance Stack template along with its description, tolerance, and the part number it belongs to. Consider CPK value of 1 by default. Next, move on to Risk Description tab. Here, we need to calculate just one risk, say Risk 101. Now, type down the design description, assembly name, and design requirement. We can consider clearance as design requirement. Ideally, this clearance should fall within the specifications of coupling. Next, click on Add Risk tab to add Risk 101 into the template. You can see that a new tab appears at the end. Here, write down the tolerance equation in row number 10. And based on the number of parameters in tolerance equation, add the rows in the table below. It's always good to attach a picture or drawing showing the risk as shown here. Once all the parameters are filled in correctly, you can see the results in summary. As per datasheet of coupling, it can accommodate 1 mm of misalignment, and as per our calculation, our misalignment is well below 1 mm, therefore design is safe. This bar chart shows individual contribution of each dimension into stack. With this, we have finished the last exercise of Tolerance Stackup. Thank you.